I am here vibing with a man who has played one of the biggest sound systems in the history of the music. He's also a recording artist and a producer. His parents named him Odile Stewart, but we know him as
SPREADY GLORY, the Calabash, the Buckle Police.
Father Spready, the man who keep the things steady.
Blessing teach them. Blessing.
Everything good, sir?
Great, brother. We have a life.
And before me even go any further, as I say, I think in a Dillinger interview, I had the one who opened the base of this door for me. That's what I say.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Talk to us though. Early life. Place of birth.
I'm born and grew in Kingston 13, Maxwell Avenue.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, Fitzgerald Avenue to be exact.
Fitzgerald.
Yeah, man, Fitzgerald Avenue. A humble beginning, you know. Mother, father drop out like maybe 2 months before my born.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, man.
So I never really get a chance to meet him or nothing, but I one of them great man there. One of them community.
Strong man?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you see me I say? You know it go. You see me I say?
This way I say.
Very too.
Yeah.
Yeah, like very.
How did he pass?
You know, say a police.
Okay.
Police vibes. You know.
See the prayer.
Yeah. But we love police now. We know, trust me, we don't hold them for that.
Yeah, well, we understand.
Man with them work, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah. And as I say, the G kind of out in the street too, so.
Yeah, man. Really way, man. And him set a thing for me where, trust me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, way. Different. It different, my fam. You see me? No youth can tell you, like Shabba them can tell you, me the grow different from them.
When I say Shabba, like a Shabba?
Yeah, man, you know. We grow different. Me and him, all right. As I talk about Shabba, I don't know if I move too fast still, but...
Maybe what we see. Say it, man.
We and Shabba them are far from one place.
One place?
Yeah, one place. You know, my road there, Sofimo there. So we grew up as youth. We know him all my life.
Okay, we're going to pick up that.
Yeah,
that's something to talk about, read that. Zane?
Yeah.
So you say you never meet the old man, but him said some things where, you know what I mean? You come see.
Yeah, man, real way, brother, man. Like, real levels,
you,
like, real. You know, so me not grow amongst no little youth. And when me get big, that's why I might love, like, pick this up. Me grow up big, like, from me a 7, me a big man. You see me I say?
Yeah, what we
I carry the chalice, go put water in it, and for my father, friend them, cause it was a thing them time there. Because me a 80s pitney. You know, so it was a thing them time there for a certain type of man, have a certain type of youth, and him not there, and we keep him firm.
The take care of him.
Yeah, you know.
I know them ways
one of them style.
How many brothers and sisters?
All right, me have one brother, which is a selector to Shane Glory.
Okay.
And I have a sister who I don't know some year.
Oh, you heard about her, but you haven't met her.
And you know, say me, if you tell you the truth about the interview too, me I try my best to use it as a medium for try to say me can reach some of my father, family. Because I don't have nothing at all. Like, you understand me? I say teach them. So
Shane Glory with you too?
Yeah, man. Him debo. Selector.
Okay,
him play road code.
Road code?
From Portland, yeah.
Okay.
But him live at Kingston, I would have
yes.
seen.
Mommy, you still alive?
Yeah, man. Mommy, they around, man.
Oh,
Mama Millie. Great, man.
We're glad to hear that, man.
Yeah, man. Mama, great, man. Mama.
Yeah. Where you attended school, though?
Well, the first school I go was Pt1 Road Basic School. That was a school in the community. A couple roads. Kind of live at Fitzgerald Avenue, we have Nelson Road, where Burke Road, still reach Pt1 Road.
Pretoria Road.
Pt1 Basic School. Then I leave there, so I go Denham Town Primary. Then I left, I go Tivoli Garden, Tivoli High School.
Tivoli High.
Yeah.
I know you said that things never, but overall though, how were things financially whilst you were growing up?
I never know, say, I don't have nothing, you know. It's what I say teacher, yeah, because I grew with love. I grew with militancy. Because through my mother, they always tell me, say, nah, make you do it. Your father segment, you know, she was a militant and she grew me as a militant soldier, you know. Certain things we know we not to do from we're small. Is what I say teach them, certain things. So food, it there, but it never, like how me can feed my youth to a level now. It wasn't like that, but I never know say I have done teach them. Is what I say? I never really know say I have nothing because I grew happy. As I show you. My grandmother grew me as a hustler because I used to go up on her little cat. She pushed me because I'm out loud. So me ball out the fruits, name So she always carry me.
Right.
So me grow happy, man. Me grow happy and me grow with love. I respect music at church every Sunday. Music sing for the choir.
SPREADY
Music
GLORY
play a
choir,
part.
boy.
Yeah, man. Music play a part in the church. Music go up because sing and them use money and pick and. Cause my auntie own a school, you know. I'm supposed to be the only one, or maybe two I when I get to go to school. Cause little after we come up, she get the school auntie.
Okay.
So every one of my youth them go me auntie school. All our family go. I just me alone never go. But the church, me did always be a part of it.
Okay.
You know. Yeah.
Cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Cool. What was the situation like when you were growing up though in and around the Maxwell area? Cause we know, you know, in recent years and present times, you know, the stigma is that the general area is very volatile. You have a lot of, you know, violent incidents and, you know what I mean. What was it like when you were growing up?
It is, you know, and it never saw like how it is now, which it not that bad now still because things kind of a little bit different. In my time, it was more like the politics vibes and you'd have a little feel in my community from ever since, like with over here so where we'd have come from and them stuff man from a little tender age, maybe from my father them thing and you understand from them vibes. So that thing where, but it never so like this, but it's a nice place, man. Maxwell Avenue, if you not come at Fitzgerald Avenue, from Maxwell Avenue, you don't know Maxwell. Like the road that me live on, at the road. You see what I say? At the road, at the road.
Yeah.
But if you answer your question, in a them time there, place it good because when me I tell my youth them some things where me did experience in the community, them not believe me. Like basketball, with a full court basketball, we'd also play football. Cause most people know say I'm a footballer. So we'd also play football, we'd have all them stuff there and we'd always have a treat and we get the real. I think our treat was the first treat in a Jamaica, you know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man. Fischl Avenue a joke place, you know, bro. Like at the first rich place, you know.
It's the first rich
and
place.
a joke thing me I tell them, man. I true we don't want to go names,
Yeah, man,
you don't know things still are. But you have some man who come from my community who are very, when I say powerful, bro. Where I mean know that because of my father. Because when I 3 times now, me no join line. Me get every ties. I say, brother.
Your old man the name?
All.
All.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, all boy.
Yeah, man, all.
You have to join that line.
Enough people know the name and know say that man where always have him newspaper read like you can't see him face but I see you. Yeah. Every day.
Every day.
Say, yeah.
But
him read comic book. The man they are reader. Because when I tell my father get and the reason I say this important thing, my brother. My father don't really come from Maxwell, you know.
Oh.
So even my part of family life, it really, sometime, bro, Father's Day, you even know youth. My father come from Jonestown.
Okay.
And he have some family over there. So he's a man now we buck a man from prison. Because my father come like him I got prison long time. You know them type of man there, brother. I got prison long time. So he come like that man who I got prison long time family and he buck some man from over my side. Because I still have elder now where them amongst me. Yeah, especially when him come check me yesterday. He was sent me here now. He always check me.
Okay.
So him come check me yesterday. He's a man to tell me nothing about my father. So my father, the buck a virgin in a prison. And like do a couple of years left prison. Come and fist like him brother said, come check me, man. You know, yeah. And
circle ground.
And him see me. That's why my mother never tell me nothing about my father. Because everything me ask her, I say, I don't know nothing. Because in my meds now, you know, since I grew up big now, I think in my head I say, so me I try figure out things realistically by myself. You know, so me sit down and me I say, you don't say, come on, like, take the man, take him by me, brother. Like, you know what? She not afraid to tell him nothing about him, but she say, go ask him, bridge them. The more I know, more about him, you know? But me no shame of them things, you know, brother.
I understand, man.
You see me come here the best father in the world, you know. Ask any one of my friends them know me know say, me no idle, brother, me no God go itch, me no do ends, me no do parings, me alone drive till I'm a door and me carry window them now wind down. Cause me alone drive, bro.
Man. As a young son, we grew up in the church and whilst the old man wasn't there, mommy kind of keep the thing together. We're along the journey now music start to kind of, you know what I mean, knock on the heavens.
All right. It has sound away, but really and truly, teacher, me know say, long time. Like, me don't know nothing but music.
Nothing but music.
Nothing. Me can't nail a hammer, brother. Me can't mix it. Me don't know
You can't
nothing.
nail a hammer for you because I
Nail or what? Teach them. Me say me can't do none of them. Maybe can help myself, you know, but me not try for them.
Yeah, I understand.
From a youth, like maybe about 9, 8, like a play sound.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like a play sound. Cause funny enough, brother, you get the best interview from me. Tell me, I tell you.
I'm glad
This, I had a real G, me, I tell you.
Give thanks, man.
My neighbor, which is Father Keith, cousin. See where I got the reason, no?
Yeah.
Up to this day, live side of me see me.
Oh.
Neighbor, him grow me. Because I never have no father, so him have a son. So me they just feel like say, am I yard this, am I father this? So it's a Rasta man, him name Bigger K, Diamond International.
Okay, me figure say that's where they go on.
Bigger K now used to give me lunch money if I go to school.
Oh, okay.
So me I go to school at morning time, I go check him and him have a jukebox over there. Come have a bar and a shop, him have a jukebox. So he make me response to the jukebox.
Oh.
So me go buy all record. Me know every record shop I can think of. Me go every one of them. Every single record shop. I've been there with buy record and me response now for taking out the word on the thing. Even if you know the punch box him, when you change it, you lift it up, search the record, take it out, you have to take out the paper too. Because F7, I teach them song, you know. If you have to change the record, you have to take out
F7.
Yeah. And then write on a paper now, Spread the Glory. Cause different song. I gotta be F7.
Oh,
so me
okay.
use, you know, teach them, you know it did feel for you do them there.
Nice.
I want you, brother, man. And so I tell you, say, me don't know nothing.
But music.
Me nothing teach them. So, funny enough, I have to tell a story. Bigger Key, you know, which is Father Key, cousin. He was the one who started me off. There with him with the jukebox, me buy a record, wait till. I say, you want to play the sound, you know. But it's a man who want to hear theme sound. He not get no date, you know.
Don't want to hear it.
The sound have to play every Friday, though, brother. Them man don't want him sound go nowhere. If you book all a date with him cuss the promoter. No, he want him sound for himself, them type of big man there.
Yeah, man.
So that man know where me and me response to Friday and I play. You'd have some youth that God was a man who me see a play it and thing.
Oh, okay.
God, Stumpy, Teacher Paul, who me and Teacher Paul still roll up to today, you know. I mean, the teacher Bridging, like, he's a real teacher.
Okay, cool.
Him teach down at my auntie school now.
Oh, okay.
But me and him like bonafide, you know. So it from there, so it start from me, I go, then I'm told. Yeah, maybe about like 10, 11 year old.
So going around the sound though, you say a Paul teacher because them time they are record.
Yeah, man, record.
You understand,
man.
you have to be careful with the G.
Yeah, and the eagle and all them stuff there. Yeah,
so
yeah.
who was the person who now took you and said, okay, I saw we do this?
All right. My brain did so fast, you know, teach them. That's most man on the sound couldn't mix. Me didn't know when mix name. Because my virgin father have one component set to the record. And him go make the mistake and carry come down on me yard. Because we'd have a look at all house now. But we par and smoke weed, you know.
Right.
As youth. Smoke weed and thing. And me not drink kind of, but me love my rare. See, me love my kush. So we have a little room where we ends out as youth and my virgin come make a mistake and say, you know, my father have one where them carry come down on the yard. So me just go over there for some record and me I tell you, I scratch it. They make me broke nigga, I buy back a head of nigga for 3 bills. Can work on that. But the 3 bills one can't work on the sound because it's too light.
Right.
So me the buy about the nigga, man. So me did have a feel, but don't say, it's either a mix of a kick. Now me I go to some lesson. Because science, you know. That's why me is a different type of selector. We get down to that.
Get down to that, man.
Me didn't know say it's either kick, which is the boom, or the hi-hat, or the snare. 3 things you can mix off. So if you go mix off the kick, you go always up and boop. So any man who you go in a sound and see him stay on the rhythm and move, him came now mix. When you mix it, you have to move same time with the music where I play out there.
Yep.
So me learn to mix off the kick, the boom. So me know say boom, say boom. So me have a feel for it. But when I go around the sound now, told me I scratch him and them don't want me scratch. Because the man must say glory.
Rock up a nigga.
Because them can't scratch. But it wasn't a fight against him.
You may understand, man.
He was
you
just a
understand.
smaller one and God, they didn't insist. I never want really. Them man just come string up the sound and take the van. Because bigger kid, they give away a van. Why them man, they would just give everything, you know. But me couldn't drive with light rate, but God could have drive. So God used to have the vehicle now. When him come and dance and string up the sound, teach him. Him gone about him business. Because him get the van, so him gone. Me know. Me pack all record. And me know where every record. And me segment of the record.
Organize a box.
And me do me tell you about from me a youth in teach them. Me organize it. So me get me love from right at Diamond International, which is Father Keith. Cousin. And up to today, you know, say base of this in my page, which is Father Keith.
Full circle, man.
Full
circle.
Full circle.
That's the brother.
Full circle.
Yeah, man. So Diamond International, you know, was the training ground.
Yeah,
That's how
basically,
you get a feel of the thing and so and whilst buying the records and also changing from the jukebox, you learn the music together.
Yeah, definitely.
You learn artists and all of them so as a selector. That's important.
Because they interested.
Yeah, how big did that sound become though? Was it like, can you say, if Gina really want him sound really to go road, but did it actually grow into a sound you go dance and you grow in some place, different parish you play?
It play now because we used to play like a country.
Okay.
On some bases, you know, where maybe the bar bigger key keep and couple of things. But not really.
Okay.
You know something, me left the sound I play in my yard, you know.
It's still
Still beat down my studio and when it a play, me have to just know say today in the studio there. Kind of right behind my studio.
Oh.
You see what I say? Right behind the
still
studio.
go on, man.
Yeah, man, and it's an elder way. Yo, them man, they love when I reach. Like, if we go doctor and them thing there, I tell him, say, don't take no taxi.
Are you carry?
Me say, bro, me no want you to take no taxi. Call me. Cause next door me there.
Right.
Link me, you know? Yeah, man.
So, you know, in the streets, I learned the thing around Diamonds in. How long it took you to actually, you know, step up enough to move on to another sound?
All right. You know, cause me there on Diamond for a good, all of my youth days.
Okay.
Like most of my youth days, me there on Diamond. This was my real train. All right. When me left, Diamond is a situation where, cause me have to go fast. Telling you this to me.
Not a problem, man.
The reason I make me that for left Diamond is because one morning me wake up and at Tivoli me I got at the time. I wake up one morning. Mafia, you never saw name Mafia.
Because Little Shabba used to play upon Mafia before he got Soul Supreme.
Good. You know, so one morning, I wake up teach them and you have a big dancer keeper on the road. Mafia, Soul Supreme. I don't remember Stone of the Penny, but say Stone of the Penny. But remember Soul Supreme and Mafia. Brother, Shabba them are the... She have a boy named Masterly. We not ready. We might have take it to a... Because me and Shabba would have been like the only two selectors will reach to a certain level out of the place. But you have better youth than we there.
Okay.
I tell you, brother. You have sitting named Masterly. The man have every song we make on God earth. And female drive them can't crash. When we lose our drive and lose record and them man they have everything. So Master was the man who trained Shabba.
Okay.
Teach Shabba the music. They have crackers. The dancer keep Mafia. Come Shabba them a kill everything. In the community. When I say everything, I mean everything. Every sound will come the man. Because the two youth them rough in a man. Shabba and them style different. So me know of Diamond International with no dub. And them can't kill me, teach them. Can't ask him. Anytime you interview him, ask him. Can't kill me.
Yeah.
I mean, the only selector in 13 in Kuno. Me and him backed it out for like 10 years.
10 years.
Oh, I'm tell you, brother, man. You see what them say Shabba do now? That's why Shabba, when he do interview him, I tell them, say, "You no Glory. Glory is a man where he militant enough that he not got show people, but you no Spready. Me a warmonger, brother. Me and Shabba, me make Shabba is who him is like today in that war mode there. Because me him train from. And me and him in the community as him over here, son, man, I say, Shabba bada here, me I say, you mad? Shabba bada who? Me and him God. So the man when me wake up, Mafia and Soul Supreme that play. So you know, say, teach them. When we wake up the man, me say, Shabba play Soul Supreme. No, it was a Soul Supreme what Fabo have.
Okay.
He got Fabo, my general, R.I.P. if you never go on road with Fabo, you're not selected at 13. Everybody selected Fabo carry them go play Soul Supreme. Soul Supreme was the next training sound.
Okay.
One of them, Jamaica.
Right.
See? So Shabba them, when me hear say them a play Soul Supreme, a different time now, you know, teach them, in a them time, me no teach them. When me say Shabba them a play Soul, me say no, this something I forgot go on, you know. Cause big league. And me say me about this woman named Sally. And me say Shabba getting passport now, no visa, you know.
Passport.
Them time they know. Me not even, I doubt if me could have find my birth paper. So when me say Shabba get all in passport, me motivated. So me get up one morning now, and I say, say this morning I not go to school. Tell myself say I not go to school this morning and walk come out of my yard and sit down out at the front of my gate. No, me say a man in the real. Them tell me I cycle. Whole heap idling. So I come out of my gate and sit down. When me look, no the man them from Agony, me see a ride back. The man them used to be a pretty bicycle from Agony, you know. Agony man them never have car. Bicycle the man them have. When the man they pull up, be a pretty bicycle. So me look and me see the two bicycles and shot come up the road. So me I say, no Robert, he ain't fan him down and me I say, yo, you know, say, I want to rap on the sound and me can play sound. And I say, you know, I'm taking for joking. Right. Say, come tomorrow night. I say, which part? Spanish Town, for 5 o'clock, me down there, brother.
Early.
I'm to you, brother, man. I'm going to that man and I say, oh, yeah. To me, I say, I play the song. I touch the record and Tony go, whoop, and give me a lick, you know. One lick Tony give me, Tony him know to come, I remind him. Tony from Agony. I know him always remind him, man. And so Tony I said, oh, the nigga look at me so fascinated with mixing. Brother, I couldn't stand up and watch him man so mix. I remember me not have no right for go touch the nigga, you know. But teach him, me just watch him man stay and me dey on, yo, you never touch that, me never lick me, you know, but you know me I can do it to the teach him. And me just still go, and the man, I mean, me go away. Robert come now, he may say me the dead, but he never take me serious. And when me start keep on going, ride, go down a Kingston road now, go check them down at the yard, them start say, yo, you know, say look like him serious now. So from that, go back to your question, I know it long, but it was that time there, we make a transition from the diamond. Because me, they just feel like, say, any move I make, Mount Shabba them, it was a thing in the community. You know. You never have none of them, where you see now, respect to them. Like, you know, you have Chattis, you have Wayne them, you have, not for the youth, the Rooksy them, but it was it was me and Shabba. My master was the only, and Crackers were like the only youth them. Even before Crackers and Ray thing, me know Shabba as a DJ, you know.
Oh.
Me I select a before Shabba, you know. Because me did dance I play one night and me was a mix of him, you know, when them carry come pan a crate for come DJ.
You mixing?
Me a mixing. When I mission road now I yard.
Yeah.
As little Shabba and me was, me never have no name. Can't tell them no name. Just search for your name.
Yeah, search for your name.
Yeah. So it's a far away, me I never forward from.
See Supreme.
Yeah, man, that you play far away.
So you ended up playing on Soul Supreme?
Not really, you know. But Fabo now, never really. Because you have a time when the sound they get breakdown.
Okay.
From all of who did there. And Jamaica, like, prayer them, you see there. What if you see there play the sound? Only famous as a legend. And we done that up to the day. You see me? Enough man did there. But it get a little breakdown. I don't know why, because I youth, I never really know why. But
that, man.
We just happy if we go around and go play. And anywhere the sound I play once, because Diamond never go out. So if Fabo get the date them now and the selector them not come, Fabo just come check we. And we go play. So we never really play the sound, but...
You played on the sound?
Yeah, and me and Fabo was like...
You pull Shabba along, Shabba pull you along as youths. Tone and motivate one another. So now, after you move from Diamond, which was the next home in terms of your sound as a selector and this is a sound?
It was Agony.
Agony?
Yeah, it was Agony. Because right after that, I go to Agony and funny enough, we get a vibe on Agony.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Me there on Agony for like maybe around 2 years, 3 years, maybe. But me get a good vibe around them, man. Because it end up that's me grow, you know. And then the system see, because me did teach them. Yo, me not have nothing for music now because me can sleep and play music. Like really. Me can sleep and play music. So me not have to do nothing for go play music. After me left here, so me I got dance.
Right.
Me not have nothing for do more than just go play.
Right.
So me music and me thing. You see me to teach them?
Man. So Agony now, I say you spent about 2 years there.
Yeah, about that, yeah.
Any selector that got name in the space eventually was around Agony at any time?
Yeah, man. We are say,
Outside
man.
of you?
We are say, me go. All right. Come here, show you say some of them reasons you have to match them up. Me have to go forward,
Not a problem.
because it gonna make sense. As a youth growing up, we have the baddest selector them. We learn, me and Shaba learn after the baddest selector them. We never have to know Stone Love, and certain sound,
Right.
Not disrespecting me as a youth. We never have to, like say, we have to know them, because we did have our brother. You'd
Top
have
selectors,
You'd
man.
have something named Glamour 2.
Glamour too.
What them call King Glamour now, where they are England. Bro, to me, are the baddest selector that I ever see.
Glamour too.
What you talk, bro, when me I grew up, brother, and me I go watch Glamour 2 a play, bro. It's like, me I say, this me want, like,
That your heart.
me want can't stand up around a sound, and they man have a different vibe. And me and him live same place,
Okay.
because him live like round the road from me. But me never didn't know say him thing, but me just fascinated about what him can do. And you have man like Alton Slaughter.
Know the name.
One of the biggest selector from Waltham in them time there. You have Glamour 1 from Agony.
Okay.
Also.
Yeah, Glamour
but
1 and Glamour 2.
I guess them Glamour 2 now you play Lover's Choice.
Okay.
Yeah, he play Lover's Choice, I can remember. I remember you'd have Third World, Lover's Choice, Jam 1, Love Dust. You see me? Bro, so much.
What if I saw?
Bro, but I be a like real selector. Barry G, them, someone with Luther from Alaska, them people
Bad
that we
sound, that back
grew
in
up.
the
So
days,
now, me I tell you, say, teach them. You have certain juggling now where dancehall have, where Kingston 13 and them make,
Come from.
Me not ask you that. Ask any man. Kingston 13 them make, because the type of thing where they go on at Kingston 13. Me never see them thing nowhere, man. You have to go jungle, man, or certain place, man. You see me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Was Agony involved in any marquee clash, like, it's a big clash, that big sound,
Well,
whilst you were around them?
no.
Okay.
But, as I said, in a them time there, because we are talking about early time. Waltham did Vibrant.
Right.
Kingston 13 did Vibrant. So, we never have to go nowhere.
So, what if a sound?
So, you'd have
The
like
bo-
the ear-to-ear clash them keep down and Mr. Tires down and son. Sound get crowning for the ear and Jam 1 and all sound them. So, no, them not really do no big clash still.
Oh, okay, man.
But like Alaska used to take on a whole heap of clash. So Supreme them used to do them thing. But Third World used to do them thing too. But most of them not really get fair. Yeah.
So, after you moved on from Agony, Love Dust was the next
Love Dust.
stop. Or why you move from Agony to Love Dust?
Alright. Me did kinda feel like me did want more space.
Okay.
Because I gonna need have more selector. And Slaughter did end up going foreign now. Left the sound them I say, I depend upon we. And we really do it, man, I youth named Blacks. I think they're Canada now. And a couple more youth there on the sound still now. I can't really remember now, because a good one. But Slaughter left the sound with we, I run it out with a good hands, but too much away there. And it's like which part I want to go, bro, because I want to go the farthest, bro. And I'm a man, I'm militant, I'm sensitive, as I show you, because I grow a certain way where I know what I go on, so I have to be way right, you see me? So be the kind of, as I show you, I'm a man now, my IQ up anywhere I go teach them, anywhere I go. So me always say, the space is too crowded. You know, me need, but I always rate Morgan. Because Morgan have a pretty bicycle too. Brothers, I tell you, the whole of the world time selected them,
Bicycle.
Bicycle, joke thing. I tell you about the man, them have some rims that are normal, And I always admire Morgan when I ride past one fiend bicycle and go for the truck, because one truck used to carry every sound in Kingston 13.
Oh.
Yeah, which is Wadi truck. And that truck they come from around my yard.
Okay.
So every sound man have to pass around my yard to go for the truck. Every single one of them. So I saw me know most of them. You see me I say teach them. So Love Dust now was always a pre-Morgan. Come here and say Morgan alone play him sound and he'd have a virgin named Toughest. Because to me, Love Dust and Diamond are the best part in my career.
Okay.
I would have figured say Diamond would be the most the greatest part of my career because I never I pray for turn star. So as a teacher, I never pray say
You just love the music and play some
like
music.
genuinely love it, teach them. Like really, mother can tell you, bro, like really teach them. So me have a different passion for it. So me always want to go forward. So see Morgan now, I say him say me go check Morgan. Cause by that time you know, me left school. 2000, yeah. 2001 me left TG.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, I think
based
at
on
2001.
when you're back. I mean,
Yeah.
me know which year you're back.
Yeah.
That's still
Yeah,
on
man,
here.
you good man. So I think at 2000 when I left school, I book Morgan. I don't remember how still. I think I ride him. I think him a pass run a yard. I'm stop him this time now. I say, yo, Love Dust can see me play Agony. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, cause Agony there, so Love Dust down the road. So him always I say, you know, come in man. You see me? I'm go one night. I tell you, say Morgan left. The transition move now. Record thing, the kind of. I go away, but we come catch some of the record, Come catch record on Morgan son. Record where I play. But Morgan, they just buy a little, what them call them thing there? This man?
This one.
Yeah. And the way the man, hey, sound man, ramping, the man take off one of the key them in the brother. Like, you know, the channel key them.
Right.
Take off one of the top piece and glue it on the top of the this man. So it look unique, you know, because Morgan is a neat brother, you know. Yeah. So we have a little CD
player.
But when the transition from the record, if you play record now, and we couldn't get certain songs running on CD.
Okay.
But when you start play the CD now, it gets slower.
Oh.
And the CD does a dead speed.
Right.
So you just imagine that from them time there. It's a nice transition, but you have to get used to it because I have to show you how far we are forward from. We get used to it. So Morgan now, the first time I go on the sound, Morgan pack out because you buy up on the sound. A neat brother.
Okay.
The man the bicycle clean too, you know. Be a bicycle man, I tell you about the brother. When buy a park up in bicycle. And the man them bicycle in a black, you know, brother.
Color.
I want to teach them, man. Pretty bicycle, me I tell you about. So when you see them on the bicycle park up, you know it goes. So buyer is a man will pack out the record, them and play from early. 12-inch, 45, dub plate, what have you. When buyer don't play, no, Morgan do two look play and me start playing, Morgan gone in the brother.
So you have a sound.
I want to hear me alone have the sound, man. And you know who and me I play the sound them time there? Enough people never know say me and them youth they are friend up too. Like every day, them man they the own one of the old selector will come me yard like I know me youth them. Shaka.
Okay.
Cause me and Shaka used to play Love Dust.
Oh.
With a virgin named Toughest, who me feel like one of the bad selector them out of Kingston 30. Them man they have some talk, man. Especially woman talk, brother.
Yeah.
Today they me use but enough of them man they talk, man, brother, man.
Not wrong with
Cause
that.
in the day I'm drop out, you know.
Right.
And thing and them man they talk. That's why when people listen to me, them say, boy, Glory, I'm going to say A and you say A+. Plus. You see me? So, yeah.
So you drop around Love Dust now and I work in yourself and everything. How long were you around Love Dust for?
Good while.
Good while.
Yeah, because trust me, brother, Love Dust was like my own, bro. Morgan is a great youth. Yo.
And them time you actually I get pay for play son? I just
Yeah, man.
love. You collect.
When me I get still a chums, you know.
Yeah, but
them time the way I get 2-5.
Okay.
No, I lie. 50, no, I lie. $1,000
Right.
a night. And $1,000 every night, you know. So one day.
Every night?
Yeah, when we play. So I turn to Morgan and I say, Morgan, so you like our country. If you don't give me 5 bills money, nah, go, you know. We say, country money and town
15
money.
bills.
So him say, all right, Gloria, so I give you 15 bills. So it was, I get a thing. But what I say, we now watch money because,
I love the music.
you know what was my dream as a selector? To stand up on the sound and play it alone. I would miss me do that when Morgan sound with records like me. I said, sure, anything can go on. Anything can go on, you know, man. You see me?
Your goal, your dream was to stand up around the sound and play by yourself.
And talk and mix. And know say me hear the song pan the turntable in other ears, yeah, and next ears, I hear the sound out. Yeah, that was a big thing, bro. Like, I know not now because record in and everybody have a laptop and every man is which me not a problem with, because he's a man.
We are come from the real school, man.
I want to teach me to play sound from 90s, you know.
From the real school they are
Like
forward from
90s, bro. That's what I tell you, say when we are forward up, The only person we know as a youth who is a selector is Shabba.
Shabba.
I don't know no other youth in a no community. Nobody no want to be a selector. In my growing up, selector wasn't cute. Selector thing wasn't cute. A dance man, them, yeah, that's why dance come good today, you see it? In a them time there, a dance man them say play sound, brother. When you can't do nothing. And, all right, did you know, say, tell us something. Did you know, say, music are the only thing anybody can go in without no qualification and be somebody? Like every single part of music.
Every single part.
Would I be producing, mixing, master, and music your time for learn it and still get paid? Because enough time I got dance and I select time, can't mix, but I'm getting paid, bro. And I'm learn on the job. But him can't mix, and you see him if him continue playing.
Have to improve.
You have to, bro.
Have to improve, for sure.
Definitely, sir.
Was Gold Dust a class sound and a juggling? Love Dust, not Gold Dust.
Bad juggling sound.
Juggling sound.
Bad juggling sound, man. Nice juggling sound. I think at this one me get me the juggling power from.
Okay. So you get the killing vibe from Agony. And
it'll be like Round Diamond. Because you remember me this song.
Oh, yeah. Even though you say them have a dub plate, they use 45 different.
Yeah, because here one now, you want make that this so be aggressive. Because as I'm sure you say, me did rough the real way, while Shabba them did rough music way. So when him come on my ends, because I'm on a brave long time, you know. Shabba is a man to come at your yard and tell you about your parts, you know. I know him get broke up in the business, and him just take the broke up and move, you know.
Yeah.
So you know. People used to protect me on a level of my yard. Man and things, so you find so when Shabba come and say, hey, man, say, we're going to beat him. Glory. You know, I say, music. So it was that serious by my side, as I show you say. But Shabba is a funny youth, him did laugh. Because me, the teacher, one night time, because we can say this now, you know, because me grown, you know. I mean, I tell you, say, me understand my life, bro. Saying this, for me, I say, me really understand, I'm a conscious enough things. But there's a time in my life when I'm bad. Real bad.
Like father, like son.
Real bad teach them. Like, when me and my mother say, I got drop out like my father, I say, no. You see me? Come the rough, man. When I say rough teach them, I mean rough.
I'm glad you know, so you're forward through that segment there. And
rough, man.
Survive, yeah?
Rough teach them, like, rough, brother. We do everything we would Pitney do. I mean, I tell you about Pitney stuff now.
You may understand, man. See,
because we'd have the opportunity, and you'd have people who stay away there. As I say, brother, you'd have man with half of my things in my community. Easy. Can I say, oh, son, him for grow rough, him for tough. You see me? And I live that now. You see me? I run past a woman one day and she go tell my mother, and at them time they still have respect for your mother, you know. So my mother not too know. Say me a par with John Tam. I'm going to book a bridge in. I just call him Stumpy.
Right.
So him name for true, you know, but most people don't know about it. See that man there, brother? That man there militant to a level where, brother, up to today, you have some time the man in basically think me psycho, you know. Yeah, man. Because me have certain, anyway, I go teach them, my back off of the towards nothing. Nothing at all. Me not care where. Nobody not do me nothing, you know. Like, my virgin grew up my face. If me see a watch, click me can know. Teacher. Me come here so I search with my eye. Like everybody me search with my eye. I saw me stay there. I mean not talk unless you get me involved. I saw me as a man stay. So me grew up, my virgin, I tell you, boy, me grew up in a certain way where rough, me I tell you, no teacher. Don't take no weed from nobody, don't eat on nobody. Yo, the man them keep them football thing in a 3 week now. The man them cook and all. No, me can't tell you the food taste, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And then me not tell you, say, the man them can't cook, you know. But me just show you how in my brain, how my brain grow me. I eat from the body, smoke from the body. I say, me want to spliff, pack of Whistler, lighter. I have 10 pack of Whistler, 5 lighter. You see me? I saw them man, they grow me. Because I never have a father. And then him now used to play the sound with me.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Man, they bad. I play on him Ducky. Anywhere. You know what I say, brother?
Anyway.
Me get all the sound for play at Tivoli School, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, brother, man, how we are talking about him. I start teach him. When me I go school, me I
Yeah, star.
no, no start. Cause nobody never look at me. Nobody, the
Oh,
girl.
okay.
And I like them boy with the girl them love and me used to play ball too. Cause me a good
Yeah,
footballer.
good way
But
a baller,
me, my dressing never attract nobody.
Okay.
You see me? Cause my mother buy me one shoes name. It for name Filler and it mark Pillar. I mean, a man just get a wipe out and go so a piece of the P and turn it in a F.
Filler.
So you know, say the P stays so no.
Cut off the piece,
Cut out
around
the
and
part.
straight neat
I'm a
up.
virgin them and say, Glory, but oh your shoes. Me just never attractive, bro. Because me never know say teach him. Me not grow with 5-6 shoes. Teacher right now me carry full of shoes, you know. Me house, me right now me baby mother pack up a big bag of shoes I want donate. Because me no you teach him, me don't want to have 10 shoes, brother. Me no like that. Me no want to have me need 10 shoes. You know what I mean?
Part of work, why? You know what I think? Image.
Yeah, me understand that, but me I show you say needs and wants are two different things, you know, bro. You have to know if you deal with it. This is why me not starstruck. This is why me are the hungry. Me play bass of this for 8.5 years, bro. Me keep hungry. I never get up one day and say, yeah, me make it. I'm travel to a lot of places. Every dance me go, me get the same energy. You see me? Me have to leave from here, so Kingston, drive, go work a week time, 2.5 hours. You have to motivate if you do that, brother.
True.
You understand me? I say teach him.
Love does you know at the home and you build a name and reputation in the space.
Seeing.
Yeah. And as we said, you said them involved in clashes. Zane, was there any marquee clash in your Love Dust days where stick out in your mind?
No, it have to be one night with Lover's Choice when
Okay.
I think Egyptian just bust with serious time and we have it and them have it. And the dance end up turning out a problem dance.
Oh.
It's a dance where nobody ever want to talk about it today because it brings to a certain vibes.
Oh, okay.
That dance I did make toughest top play sound, you know. 35 lane and some things happen and that was the last dance toughest play as a selector.
Oh.
And then him got dead after.
Yeah, man.
You know. And I can remember, brother, when me I tell you say, because I did as a youth, you know, when the whole incident happened and I can remember the night he put on the mic and I mean take it up. I remember when he put on the mic, he say, yo, done it music you know. He said, did me done with it for life. I mean I tell you, brother, man done monster, brother. You see me? Yeah. Man done monster, man. But Love Dust never really clash.
Oh, okay. Mostly juggling.
Yeah, mostly juggling. But me personally did always have a certain type of spirit in me.
Yes.
According to where me I forward from. You know, so me more put it in the music.
Yeah. And I know you said that, you know, you never did have to go a road for hearing other sound or something still, but were you hearing any selector in the space? I know you say you hear one G play and you say, yes, this one do. But in terms of established selectors at the time, then, was there anybody who you were hearing where resonate with you a lot?
We ain't talk about T-shirt, man. Teach them. Diamond them was one stage. Love Dust was one stage. Me no call a stage there knowing say me want boss as a selector.
Oh, okay.
Because even when me I play Love Dust, me never pray for boss big in the world. Me just want to be the best at what me I do. No. You see when it reach a part, me see this youth our name, Tony Mataran.
Maggi.
Because I'm an honest youth, you know, brother. And up to now, me imagine a friend. Me imagine a virgin, you know. Me imagine a good friend, like real virgin, you know, good friend. But brother, when me hear them time Mataran just left Addies, and cause Mataran is the first solo select.
Yeah,
so come me know me I gotta be solo selector now.
True.
When me hear Mataran in a brother, me I say, oh this. More fire. Pane, you can hate me now already. Brother, you so come here buy cassette them time.
Right.
Every day after 3, left school and come after 3, come buy me cassette them and be a Mataran cassette me I buy. Mataran was my because me never did know about country. No, you'd have squingy around.
Right.
But me never know about them. Is hear about the bass of this thing and hear about the script, but me never know about them. But in that time that who me know was Mataran, brother. And him really that's something I know I want to make money now.
Yeah.
That point there, brother, when I listen Mataran I play the You Can Hate Me No rhythm, with the sizzler them. Judgment Day
You know that
just to be
juggling,
here.
man.
Me I say, me need to start be out there when me can pay for dub play like them there.
Okay.
Me want out there, me want out at that moment there. He got Maggie. Me I tell you that,
Nice.
and I mean, he never hear this yet. Cause me and him talk about it, and me never hold a conversation about him say who was my selector.
Right.
But in that time, I know two selectors me have in that time, you know. Maggie was the man who really make me really want to play sound. You know who make me become a bad selector? Bill Cosby.
Stone Love.
Brother, to me, I think I'm the baddest selector in my generation.
Bill Cosby.
I want to tell you, brother, man. When Cosby just come around Stone Love, Cosby I like maybe about 16. Brother, Cosby I play the sound from morning till night, you know. Them thing wasn't normal now, you know.
Right.
Because man, them laptop can. When I tell you, so just imagine a youth who love music now. I left and I go watch a youth play on Nelson Road. Said dance, he was Toulouse keep with Stone Love and Ray. When I go around there, I watch Bill Cosby, I pack out the record, brother. I want to tell you, the man have a voice, brother, the man have a voice and I ain't no, the Cosby no normal. Cosby no normal, brother, man. To me, I the body selector in my generation.
So Maggie on one side, Cosby on the next side. Zane, you know, still at Loved Us at this time.
Yeah.
What was the next stop along the journey? Was it Stone Love or was there something between Loved Us and Stone Love?
You have something.
Talk
You have
to me
enough
about
things
that.
happening, you know. Enough things
that.
happening.
I learned the
Yeah,
story.
but you have
You know.
enough things
I you know, don't know all for interview
Yeah,
and all.
yeah,
You
and all
understand?
yeah, because
So I know these things.
me as a man I always figure to myself, say, me not reach like a certain level yet. This is
Pretty Glory saying that.
tell me, I tell you, teach them.
Okay.
This is why me never try to.
Yeah, you never do that
Because
with
I
you
always
still.
feel like, say, yo, me still, all right, I have a plan in a teacher. I have a plan for me a youth, when I figure out the music, like when I want to go, I want me to love achieve. Until that,
You
you
know,
will always see me like this. You see what I say?
See, pretty.
Yeah, until that day. So, fall back to your question now. After me left Loved Us, it was a sound name, Platinum Overkill.
Oh, I know Platinum, man.
No, that is a war sound. And the version you say they are foreign and thing. Yeah, foreign, yeah, you say they are foreign and thing. But me, you know, me can't take the boss when they are foreign and I deal with selector Jamaica. Because me get big, you know, me a big youth and me can talk, you know, because no for them who own sound of foreign, bro, more time them they even know to deal with all the youth them.
On the ground.
You see it? And it's a man, Platinum Overkill, good youth, you know. I not think them man, they one of the first man that make me hold 21,000 in a man. Remember teacher, tell me no about money. 21,000, I must say 200 lime send come give me US and make me change it out and nobody, me no know nobody from send money come give me, but me never pray, because I used to give money every week. I'm going to find out, say me start depend on the money.
Okay.
And me don't even want to do nothing. So you find a teacher with me all day, and me yard on Thursday I come. All my mind is tomorrow, Friday, Friday I go, and me now play. So me I say to him, say, brother.
Oh.
And me did love the music
Side,
because
side.
me know what me can do. So me I say, yeah, play me one play and thing, but it never reached somewhere, but I was a great youth.
Okay.
Me still don't meet him personally, but reason the phone and thing, Chester, I was a good youth. You see me? So me played that. Then after that, so I tell you, say, I did done enough to get them interview here, you know. Because me I tell you. And you see the man that do my first interview and dash away and call me and trick me. I die for real teach them.
What do you mean dash away?
Then me not go do an interview with some people, man. And then that's me interview with teach them.
The one you're safe, man.
Then
Talk
me
to
see if
you,
I had Nova Scotia.
So Platinum.
Yeah.
You move on
So
from
after
this,
from Platinum, meanwhile playing Loved Us, one night, Loved Us get a dance at Demontown.
Then,
Now if me say Demontown, you remember some used to go Demontown Primary.
Primary, right?
And I go
And
Tivoli.
Tivoli. So right
Good.
on the ground this one.
And we used to play ball at school. So when me go so boom down, reach at the dance now. See when I'm a baller friend. Now them man know say me a selector, you know.
Okay.
Because you left school and everybody do them thing. And
Right.
it wasn't nowhere social media.
Right.
You never have, I couldn't tell you about one thing where they depend. So not never name social media.
Probably the closest thing them time they come in was probably MySpace.
Yeah, we'd have-
in them time there.
You know them time they have MySpace?
Probably after that, well, after you left school, probably.
Yeah,
after.
we'd have MySpace. Yeah, because I can't remember my MySpace account.
Yeah, but.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I can't remember my MySpace account. Teacher, me never have internet them time, me not teach them. And we have to go through and I do a thing, you know. So when me book my bridge, you know, him no know say, really me a selector, you know. So when him come see me, I say, so the hell? I mean, I say, me no name, so. I spread it in the name.
Spread it in the name.
Then I get the glory for my name.
Oh, okay, because so that way name part.
Yeah, because one time I spread him in name.
Okay.
So, me I say, I spread him in, and the name so and so weird, nobody not like it.
Oh.
Spread it. See me, nah, I remember that, man. So I say, what you do up here? I mean, I say, sound. And I say, no, say, me I run the place now. Big up my friend. I'm a connect of the today day.
Oh, yeah.
No name.
No name, man.
See me?
Good, man.
Man, I say, yeah, glory. Yeah. Mike, so what you say? Keep all things to him. So what you say? Say, yeah, man. Matter of fact, me I go book your sound. And me I say, book the sound. And then, man, there, as a youth, me I tell the boy, you know, Joseph School and thing, and he book the sound. And from that day, you know, me and him a connect. So me start link back with everybody. Every time I go down at them and town now, me book my school friend them, and me and them used to Ray, and all of them. From Dashan, people know them name there, to the whole of them. We and them in a school I play ball. Teddy Johnson.
Yeah, Jeremy.
Yeah,
man.
I'm a G. Maybe him no remember me as not Spready Glory, no.
Yeah,
but he remember me say we used to play ball at school and thing. Chemo Dread. That Christopher Nicholas. So it was
Yeah, Christopher Nicholas.
On a baddest ball that Jamaica them time there, you know. And you have something named Ricardo Fuller, you know.
Remember Christopher with the left foot.
Yeah, what the baddest. Bro, me I tell you, say, we that play ball amongst the baddest set of ball of them. So, knowing me I book back all of them man there. And the man I keep dance. And I keep them party and things. So, me in a Tivoli. And, cause down there, so one of the places will give me a break to, you know. Yeah, man.
Naturally.
Big man thing, but big time. And down there, so everything start from like the boss. Because watch this now teach him. When me start go back down at Tivoli now, you know. Me I book back now from my little friend them. So now I'm going to know Randy Rich.
And the Randy, who was stolen by already?
No, Randy never kind of stolen.
Okay.
Instead of Randy, they are Swash.
Swash International.
As a little youth.
Yeah, for sure.
And then you have Little Richie.
Yeah.
Me think is my third selector. 3 selector me have. I'm going to put him in a specific way.
Right.
Little Richie, to me, are the baddest modern day selector.
Baddest modern day selector.
Of course.
At that time, Richie, they are Swash too.
And them time they in my youth.
Yeah, man, yeah.
And Randy a little youth for him, because Randy a more smaller youth than we. You see me I say? So now me know Little Richie. Because remember say me and Randy are best friend, you know. Like real friend, you know. Me and Richie are like the three that like everybody knows. We are. So now me go back Randy them now. So me I hear about this sound named Ballers. I think Randy tell me about this. So Randy, yeah man. Randy introduced me to car. Randy get fired off a Swash. About 2 times Randy left Swash, you know. I'm an ex-history friend that, you know. Randy Rich, you know.
Yeah.
No, man, me can't talk them things, man. No, man. Say no disrespect. I'm a friend.
Yeah, man.
I'm a real old man like me can say them things. I didn't feel no way like I'm no. When Randy, he man Swash me that in some fallout and thing. And me and him apart through the what? Nearly, and I like me, I tell Nearly, because I know you don't know what go on them time. Randy get all the visa. And something did go on away, but me and Randy apart. And Randy I said, me have a son named Ballers Glory. From Oxford Street. So you named Kevin. Breads, big up yourself, Breads. Yeah, man, if big up Breads, because Breads look out for it. We'll just go down there. And me and Randy start playing Ballers together. Me, him and Little Richie.
Oh, that I never know.
Yeah.
Ballers, the thing there,
Yeah. So it was Ballers, me, Randy, and Little Richie. You know, for
yeah,
the
team, that, you know.
Let me show you, brother, my history of playing, you know, we not go amongst nothing but the best, them, you know. And you're going to hear some more along the line. And I'm going to give you some shaka too, man.
So, Ballers, you know, yeah, and the G them link up and so on a play. Dance a keep.
Yeah,
name a Billionaire Street.
We run garden.
Figures
we over to take, we a little bit above to take over the whole Jamaica, Ballers.
Yeah.
We are talking about, brother, man.
So, what stopped that?
Bad management again.
Oh, okay.
Because the man who control it live a foreign, and the man who
okay.
run it there, Jamaica, it's like we would have loved the man, which is Breads, for really, because Breads give we a vibe. Breads look out for we. But we don't really know the boss of their foreign. But him good still, you know, but we need more connect with Breads and certain vibration more time where you get, like me that say, them amongst each other.
Right.
I feel comfortable amongst you. So bad management kind of, you see me, kind of get that away. But that sound the brother. Bro, one night, can we play a guard? We play the whole the general birthday, you know, Dodo's birthday party. Can we can't talk about them things?
Yeah, man, naturally.
All of them thing the way you're guard at them time there. The
Passa,
history
passa,
things.
all
No,
that
no,
thing.
passa.
Oh,
Me not tell
not play
you.
passa.
Passa outside of Tivalina, brother.
Oh, you mean inner?
I tell you. There's 100 selectors who play in a passa, we never play in a garden. When you play in a garden, it's a different level. You understand me as a teacher? I'm not joke thing, me I tell the teacher. So, all right. Meanwhile, passa keep 90%, or no, 90 too much. 80% of the people who live in the community don't go.
Don't go passa.
Maybe I'm wrong for the percentage.
Right.
But me I tell you, say, you have selector, when them play, like Fire K, Wesley was a looking you with them time there. Especially Fire K. Fire K was a favorite in the Demon Town side. And you know, Randy can't do nothing wrong. When it come to Demon Town and Tivoli, me see Randy make woman do something, brother. Me I tell her, me I wonder say that when me can't, what's up with me?
Yeah.
One night, remember I'm living at Maxfield. You know the history, the whole Jatty thing, Maxfield thing.
Right.
Cause that's one of the things them where go back to the question. Remember before me I said, but go back to how you asked me the question and say, how was growing up?
Right.
Bro, you'd have a pint, you know, per Maxfield in a way. Every year, you know, you have drive by, you know. I tell the teacher, I'm like, Maxfield used to dark, brother, at a certain point in the history. But you know a different thing because people grew up and so me now as a Maxfield man, get my school in Dongato. Me now have no school friend that live at Walter, Maxfield, nowhere.
Your friend them come from
All of my
West.
friends, all my baby mother loved me. Never vote from a band, and my baby mother ever tell me say me a labor right. Just because I go to Valley School. And me never voted teacher. I would love to, but a policy me a deal with instead of read about.
Right.
Because me have sense. Remember, I left school with a couple little subject, you know, so me kind of understand the thing. So a policy me a deal with until me see that, me push in me hand. You see me? One night me there, because a Maxfield man, as me a show, the Tivoli thing. Me I go down me I carry a van load of people from Maxfield that dance at night time with me. Because me I'm a follower a long time. Version of a bread van, you know. Because I used to work at Maxfield, out of the bakery at Maxfield. And you see when the evening time, when we take out the bread them, what I create?
For your van.
A big galley night. Me I tell you about 20 girl teachers.
Yeah, why?
And when me carry them go down at garden, the man them say, see the Maxfield girl, let me come. And me I play on the girl, man.
Get the vibes.
So, me find out say me can't big up Maxfield in there. So me take my time.
Bring it to you.
Team say, spread it from Maxfield there. And I say, oh, it's nice. Big up the Maxfield girl in the place. And them I go and bad to you. Because I bring some girl in normal, like crazy and big. Them time they have Swiss body girl, them young, them time, cause me a part of the era there. You know, say me I play the sound. And a man come to me and I say, short man, I call you.
Yeah?
Teach them. It was Early Bird come to me.
Oh, Early Bird. Okay.
I know him from school. I mean, him used to go Tivoli and thing. That I did, not the old time Early Bird. Because you know everybody have a replicate name in a Tivoli too. So it's
Right.
So him come to me and I say, General,
Call you.
teacher, me I tell you about like 5 seconds me I thinking and me I say, what you just say a while ago, Glory? He me say nothing bad a while ago. What me say?
Right.
He me say, when I call Maxine name too much wonder. Cause it was a brother, it was a big thing. Me know that man from school days, but me can tell you say, me see me about 2 times going to school. But go playing sound now me get familiar with him, but me never really
have a conversation with
no,
him.
because you can't do that so easy. You don't qualify, you have to be Randy and Richie and certain man on a level. Me no reach a level there. So when the man I tell me, say, such man I show me, you know, teacher me I tell you, say, seconds me I thinking and I teach him. So I just move and go over there. And man, I say, where you come from? To me. I mean, I say, Maxfield, but, you know, me used to go to Tivoli school and me used to play ball on the Coach Steve, you know, and the man, I said, no, man. Yo, we learn to play music, brother. Me say, teach them made bus 3 times. From the day that no boy can't chat to me in the Tivoli, you know. Teach them. From that day they make me name. Because when me realize, say, that man there tell me, say, because me always want to tell Randy, say, I know them, because Randy know.
Right.
Me no want, because you still have a little something in me. So one day me I go know you, so you go like, you know, me know the G. Because we forgot collect money. Hey, them man there, them, so any sound coming there, I forget pay. No, I say that. They want to we never get the money. The pay now run right, and me run this here. Down there me I go. And me say me I follow you. And we go down there, make a report. And me come and me surround with that envelope 40 thick like cow did. And give one sitting outside.
Money run.
So this is how the principle was done at them place. No road selector couldn't come play and have money problem. Brother, the man them ever pay selector down there so. So if say that man there tell me say me a good select. And you know what I go on to the night? The man go turn to me and say, yo, like the man I say, teach them.
Where I drink.
You the man anything when he say, why you teach them? Me say me full me back. Me say, yo, teach them. The motor liquor me can't get me hard and then tell them me a youth. From that, nobody couldn't chat to me at anybody. So me start walk up and me start ride my bicycle, you know, go along a garden and park up and be sitting and
in one.
but everybody I said, spready. Cause them start remember me now. Oh deal, someone I can't remember. It's true way from me last thing, come on, someone remember me. Bala. You know me I say, you mean, I select you know where I do. So the big part of the game and then we start go them and town side now. Among some other brethren where you know personally as I said, them more like footballer brethren them and they keep him thing. And we got this so get a break to up on both sides. Me have to get Tivoli and them and town credit, brother. Especially up at them and town at the time. Maybe different now as me I tell you about. Them time they no one and go on, brother. It was Tivoli and them and town are one. Them time there. A long time I no really can get so busy and thing. I'm gonna get link up some of the man them and thing, but me know the place kind of different, you know, one thing. You see me, I hope say the thing can forward back to where it was, you know, someday, but it was a power place, brother.
After Ballers, which was the next stop?
Next stop now was Stone
Love.
You see, if you get that message in for you, you get it from good source. Cannot plenty people know.
I know you ran Stone Love for about 2 to 3 years, man.
No, me not do so much. Me not do 2. Me do about like maybe a year and something.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well,
I don't know. I don't.
It's about 2 still.
I don't know. It may be a 2. But me can't tell you say it no. I don't think it passed 3.
I think I went to Stone Love 2007. Or you left 2007?
No, 2000. Yeah.
So in my notes, said, I'm telling you, my notes said,
2007.
Played Stone Love for 2 years. I mean, I have 2007 in a bracket, so it's important as why
it could be right.
Tell us.
It could be right. It could be right. Yeah, man, you're good be right.
Oh, you end up around a big, world immortal, monster, giant sword.
All right. History again teach them. If you big up Chacha, bad boy Chacha, car. Chacha was one of the man them who always I take my father power virgin, you know. So he always tell me say, yo, you're fit for Stone Love, you know.
Oh, okay.
From all time. But me I show you far me and Stone Love my father from now. You see my community where me live? Me tell you about my place. All right. And the surrounding. Remember, if my walk come up the road, me there Sunlight Street. And then me say Sunrise, you know, me I talk about Radigan, Sunrise Crew, the Benz them. Remember them man are the first magla them in Jamaica. So for sure you say we know that long time. So when them man they used to keep dance with a Maxine, because you have a whole dance to keep with a Maxine Stone Love. Most of the time, in a them time they me can remember, Stone Love selected them used to come and play from early and sometimes them are left. Or sometimes no selector not come because the place is mad, you know.
So that way, yeah. Oh.
So sometimes no selector not come. You know who always plays on? Shabba.
Oh yeah?
History me again, brother. Shabba was the man where Radigan them always a call him.
Oh, so Radigan then say G have to play, G have to play.
Him did popular than me because let me show you say, me that pre little bit of the badness too. So when Shabba can really go play and me know I pre some other thing as a youth.
Some man good as a look for you.
You get me I say? When nobody now do me nothing.
Yeah, we do
but
that,
to all me go, me I grow with my brethren, we make me some militant and so me I see so much things, me I say, yo, certain placement. But nobody now do me nothing teach him. But Shabba get the experience if he start. Hey, Shabba was the youngest youth at asylum, you know. When I see Shabba go asylum, I say, me have a boss. Because I said, Toulouse can't go asylum. I know like me I try to asylum, I can't say, I murder Toulouse. Come here, say, you know, like me want go in asylum. And I can't, but Toulouse was Shabba backpack. Them man they wrote for Shabba. You see what I say? Yeah, them man they wrote for Shabba, bro. Like from tier 1, Toulouse is always there. So Shabba was the man who always him send come call and think, lucky enough one night, I don't know if Shabba there. But me out there. And I think Father Power pass and hear the son of playing. None of him selected that. According to the type of plane. And I guess him and Chacha that reason at the same time and him say, come link him up in my office. You know, I'm go up there, go check him and thing and you know, him love my vibes and him I say, yeah, go on, give me purple off a stack. I may start play purple off first.
Oh, okay.
I play purple off. I go and they go back Cosby. And I'm tell you say, me and Cosby now, Cosby was my selector as a youth, you know. And when me go around there, when me reach on Stone Level, I say Cosby. Cosby always tell me say, him always tell me say, yo, him vex on me. They left the sound and thing.
Okay.
Because them man did say a few. Brother, you know say, my style of playing. I could me good on play bass at the scene. No normal man can play that sound either, brother. My style, like my style of playing, more that fit. Stone Love. You see me say to the type of me play and me a man to keep you moving all night, like keep you moving. When my energy no drop, if me a talk, me no so you know hear me talk, like some man them start and then get tired. Me up on one pitch all night. If you start dance, you nah stop till me done. Me nah ask you that, brother. I just my vibes that, you see me? So Cosby the kind of pain kind of say you need to see a future with me around Stone Love, but me end up go link back Father Powder.
Okay.
Couple time. And they give me the energy.
Oh.
You see what I say? Because me they left the sound too. If me as a boss, I'm going to take it back on my son.
Okay. Fair enough.
You see what I say?
Fair
but
enough.
I guess at the time, I show you me the conscious as a youth, you know, me able to see it as like me just know somebody if you just do something from me so. Cause cause I go check him back, of course. I go check him back, man, and I say, and I say, yo, I won't even tell you what him tell me still, but
why you leave though? Why you leave the sound though?
Alright, why me leave the sound is the start play Stone Love 2007, right?
Right.
You see that the means of 2007, here comes a song named Line It Up.
Oh, Line It Up. Cause them time you started look at production.
Yeah. So the song gets so big. Teacher, remember me not.
You're an artist.
You're an artist, brother.
Yeah, man.
Cause how that song they come up, you know, them story at first them story I talking to teach them. How you think Line It Up song come about now? Me have a look. Cause my brethren out there named Danger, where me come to. Him and the man to teach me about production. But myself learn more side. And I can do like everything. Play the keyboard myself. I mean still don't know note, you know. If you like on this now, if you tell me for sure you see, you can't show it. But if it turn on now, if you hear me play it, I can't believe I play it. Can me use ears. That's why enough man say my rhythm them sound different because my thing come with a feeling more than just how it fit do. You see me? So me have a little studio in front of me yard. So-called studio. Because we David have boot and but we just think we have things. And we book this bridging. So he might tell me splendid.
Splendid.
Because unbox splendid now, my bridging Bubo, Beanie, he's at Canada and meet them and he always want to make money and rich and like a theme father turntable, you say.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
so him was the first man to get a break for him did always unbox that selector. So he do everything when him go to Canada from a bus and make some link and some no splendid them and thing. Me not fed up on a song there. Me not fed up on a song there, brother, because splendid them I tries, because we say we had the production them time them. At the time now, me not comparing to what me know now, come see and teach them. When me did say me could have do for the man them song, the man them should have tie me up and beat me teach them. Because then time me don't know nothing but me just feel like say me know it. This is all me spontaneous. So me turn to the man and say, mix a song, man. Mix. You can imagine a man who mix a song. Remember a song coming like a mixing a song coming like a picnic where I grew and I have to dare on it. till the pitney rare, till them start grow hair on them skin, till they say me lawyer alone. A sub mixing goes. Naked scrap, you have to turn it into something. So me I tell them I want to mix a song. So the man say, you can mix it. I say, where you talk about send it, come give me. Beanie Man, they on a song there, you know.
Oh, Beanie, you were supposed to be Beanie Man and Splendid.
Yeah. So, they must send the file to me and Danger, my brother, just come here, so. A long time me and them apart.
Right.
So, them time they email, you know about email. Internet did slow them time, they never move like them time.
Right.
So, the man try to send an email for about 2 weeks and he can't send. Because it was a file, you know, it's big.
Big, right.
They must try to send the Beanie Man come give me for me, mix it together. And me and Danger that go do it still. It that maybe sound a little good, because Danger know him I do.
Right.
But it couldn't left up to me alone. See him teach him? So we can't get the file. Can't get the file. So Splendid said, me fly come to Jamaica.
Okay.
He said, me come to Jamaica, come link with the file. So I say, all right then. So the man pull up and see which one with the car. We have a nice little place like this, you know, but it wasn't like
Splendid. Forward a yard.
Yeah, come a
and
yard.
we say a Beanie Man.
That Beanie Man, because them have the song. Them pay Beanie Man already, Beanie Man voice the song, and them to put on the song, but so Splendid end up now come at Jamaica. Come link me run at the studio now. What them see what we have now, I mean, they kind of surprised like him and say, but him love the energy. Him say, so we have a following, big following too. So, me only hear the man turn to me and say, what me can I hear the song? Me say, me brother, me say, yeah, madman, man. I can't be artist. He said, no, Spready. He said, you have a voice, you know. That's why I have to big him up, you know. He not deal with me, you know. I mean, I talk it straight because you see, through me always want things work. He's a man who not deal with me through too much people there between us. Meaning, we have too much people I deal with.
Okay.
You know, I mean, they learn something when I go to school. When I teach me youth them now, say, if you line up 10 people, and we all go and say what we have to say one time. If me tell the first one at the starting, by the time it reaches the middle,
Story
totally
different.
So this is how me and him thing work. And I always tell him, but you're not, me not interested in no music, you know, for voice, you know.
Right,
Whereas
right.
now we not teach them. When we go figure out what production can do, and artists work so hard that me can't bother to climb backs and lift up and me tell about my sound and play it for me good. Me don't want to be the artist, but the producer, I love it. You know what I mean? I say, me don't really want to be an artist, because me can write a song easy, but me don't want to be an artist. But these are the things that come between me and Splendid. Why him only can get an next X song by coming around me. Because music is not just about doing the music. The environment have a lot to do with it. Same thing with even Nesbeth. Me not go say him can't get a next hit song because me believe in him talent. And he's a man where him always have some song, bro. Some different type of song, and he's a man where him know what him do. But we and Nesbeth come from far, bro. Like way far. You know, teach them, and more times some little small things. You know, the only reason I taught them things is because sometimes me get the end of the stick sometime, and me not get a chance to explain myself because me is not a man like that. Me no owe you nothing. So me is a man who hear you talk things about me, or me hear say people say things that me see and hear you. Cause me no feel like me need to address you, because you know what me nothing and me no owe you nothing. You see me? But if my sister me have to go defend myself, me go talk. But me and him cool still. Me I sing a cool still, you know, but me and them man they are forward from the my dream thing when you hear about one day. Me that part of them thing there. In them time them me and him apart every day, but when me know him. Because me know this with long time, man. But you see, when it come to old Ganga Lee, that's when me and him start link up. Cause come around my studio, see what me I do and love what me I do, and me and him start. Right now me have like 3 to 4 songs in my laptop when there's advice to me, you know. Him the member, you know. And I have them, you know. Same way I sit down on them, because you don't know, me know say. I have some songs for him, you see me? I don't know if you even remember them, but me have them. You see me? So a lot of time, I link up with some people, brother, and I just miscommunication, kind of make the thing not work, but them in themselves know say me a real G. You see me teach them, because me is a manager, straightforward man. You see me? You know, my people who know me know say we not hold nothing. You see me as I teach them?
So, this car, remember what we did, we asked why you end up leave Stone Love. So, the song forward now.
Oh, yeah, that are the reason why.
Right, yeah, man.
Yeah, because we don't want to mix up the thing.
So, right, because we soon pick up the song.
Yeah, the song end up go, oh, come out. And then teacher me, a man no use, as me say, where we are forward from, it reaching a next level now. It reaching a car level where the man them buy me a car and you know, me said, Virgin, I tell about from Canada, give me film car to me have 2 car as a youth where can't drive. You see me only know me can't drive because but me not a license and I know them something there.
Right.
And me monitor them thing there and but me always have a business mind, you know. From them time when I teach him. So doing the whole of I interview them when Father Power call me.
Oh, okay.
Pick up the phone and say big weep up on it. Can make sure dial weep out on my phone for now them time that my friend them see who I call me, them say weep out, me get more ratings. Cause them time they mean something.
General,
so if a man say 2007, 2006 Father Power call you, me a star man, teacher man. So when me see all them the big name come up, you know, I say to my brother and say, yo, how much your boss pay you? I say, $5, I say, be a 30. I say, I'm not play sound, man. And it can spend is a night. It's a youth where him love when people have things.
Right.
So it's a man where always I give you things and always I give you opportunity. So money wasn't the problem. You see me? It's just me indiscipline. You see me? Me can say that no. Because me should have like a decency, man. If you even can call the man and say
XYZ.
yeah, but if you hear a song I play on radio and I got to be interviewed, I think me a done, you know, brother. What you talk about? If you dance, if you bust me here past a line, I want to your teacher, man, you can't chat to me.
Because that's hot tonight dance, what then, brother?
Up to today, you
got daggering segment and time, you know, that I have to play, brother.
So I tell you, say, me now look no credit boy, yeah, because if me did I do it, me that jump out long time and create problem on internet. But I me bust daggering. Not never named daggering. It wasn't nothing named daggering, bro. Nothing at all. And I see him Tivoli come from to that's why I tell you say Tivoli play a vital role in my career because when me I go down a garden, a one man, you have a youth named Keeno Jokes. The man in a play sound, he man a selector, he man a artist, he man a nothing. I don't sing about him in a song. Keeno Jokes in a we say daggering 5, 10.
Okay. Oh, 15, 20.
I don't end up come do a song after. Because our daggering song are the first daggering song ever make. Because at the time it was Scratches Morning was the talk.
Scratches Morning, yeah.
Gear Chucks and
Dirty Friday.
It was Scratches Morning.
Yeah, true that.
Them the history.
Yeah, selector, but that's what
the history.
true. Yeah,
and at first, me I talk about them things, I always hear the wrong story them.
Okay, sir.
All the while, I always tell myself, say, I give myself a chance if me get the chance to say it, but me not going to create no problem on the internet. Because people are going to say, who is Little Glory now?
Yeah.
But daggering, a Keeno Jokes them, I go hear talk about daggering. And as me I tell you, say, my brother used to have the hottest Sunday night event in the whole of downtown. When it comes to Sunday night, and my brother we have Japanese, Chinese, every single race that come at them in town on a Sunday night. The biggest thing, brother, you don't have nothing in a Kingston big like that, brother, on a Sunday night. I tell you, brother, down a garden. And we at the place aware, and I jokes me here. Keeno Jokes and Fire K the selector. But then me ear calf Jokes and Fire K Virgin. I jokes me I talk about daggering, shrivel up and me I say, but when him say it not so and so now, you know. It played out.
Right.
Teacher, me see first time me hear daggering, me say me pray to God say me say it again. Because me say me have to do something about this. And I saw now me take the talk, go up on my Virgin event. And I said, be a daggering. So me go to Splendid them now, because Splendid song was just a daggering song. Remember, say the song do already, you know.
Right.
Remember me not dep on the song, teach them. Song do already. Because Charlie Black did already dep on the reading with theme song.
Right.
We have mashed up the whole place. Then my Virgin get the... Remember, DJ Mark ready me now. Up to now, you know, what do me even tell Mark say me need me and him for talk, you know. Because me hear some little thing about the song, you know, when me and him need to talk, you know.
Okay.
I don't know if it's true, you know, but me and him need to talk, but... You know, say I never get $1 from that song yet. Not even one single dollar.
Oh, yeah.
And that are from me youth them born, and me youth them are like 17, you know.
Yeah, because that song come out about 2008, 2007, 2008.
Because them time me youth them just a born. And I never get $1 if you can give me you them out of that song. Never.
Out to line it up.
Never in a history. I don't know who released the song, I don't know what. But some ego thing will go on with the song still, you know. And that have to do with me to growing up.
Okay.
So I'm tell you, as a big man now, me not feel no way for. Because it's true, me know me day in a life. I'm very conscious of what me day in a life. And me know how me view people, how me feel about people. Me did, it just arrogancy, bro.
Oh, okay.
You see me? Because we produce a song ourselves, you know. Because,
Yeah, because when I look on the glorious music, I see it on.
it under so many things that me I tell you, say, and I don't know. It's kind of glorious, and me don't even know that because of me not put out nothing with the glorious in the line it up. Because I want to re-release it, you know.
Okay.
Because me thinking about it, you know. Because me I say, yo, me can't have a song like that and nothing me need for. When I tell me I have a lawyer upon it, a big lawyer, Tony Braxton lawyer, we have upon the case. And the lawyer not come up with nothing. Him say, how long now, you know? And me telling him much years, him say, man, you know. And that Tony Braxton lawyer that my virgin get upon the case. First, me I thought him thinking to teach him because me did so I think about it. Virgin, too much ego in that song there. In terms of like how we did feel as youth. You see me? Because Mark Link, you know. We produce a song ourselves, you know, teach him because Danger Me was the producer, Ray, and we go down a Cut Stone, down a sentence. You know, Cut Stone studio.
Yeah, man.
When I select a virgin name, I don't remember his name, man, but
oh,
damn, man. Maybe they want to big him up still, you know.
You remember,
but
man.
Anyway, Cut Stone is student name. See? I done there some mega voice, my part. Teach him. And the same night of voice the song we played. That's why no man can't tell me that me boss a song there. Me here, man, I take credit for it and I say them, this and them. And me boss a song there because the first night we played, we see the energy. From we do it to know. From we go in the studio, I say, all girls, come to the... Even the youth, them nice student, man, I say, dog, with the man. Come here, you see my name and my voice?
Big.
People love them. People always say, where you get that name there? And you a little short man with a voice. So when me go do this song, and we mix it, man, I don't know about the song. We spend like almost $2-3 million on the song. Because Splendid a pump money in the song. And me now have my little work money now, pumping night, and my brother named Shartman. Can't forget Shartman from Canada. Me and Shartman bust a song there. With them and town. Anti-Valley Garden. Because we, they all both. We never forgot Uptown. I doubt if Uptown, we never forgot none of them places. No, we not disrespect,
yeah, man,
nothing but
downtown thing.
Brother, because Garden was the place. Garden was when everything done a road, we come party till 10 o'clock. Yeah, at 5 o'clock the dance outside the Garden. When me I left Maxfield by my bicycle, 2:30, 3 o'clock, you know, and my woman asked me when me I go in, brother. And when me ride out and reach on a Garden by 3 o'clock, you know, Randy not reach I dance it, you know. Randy they even wake it, you know. When Randy come I dance at 5 o'clock, you know, and the party just start. Because Garden was a place. You see me I say, brother, so when me say, the man them give a bag of man credit for that, and me never hear them call me name yet. Me humble because me I said, maybe my name small, and me not reach a level yet, but if me get the opportunity, if you do it, no artist, no selector can't say them bust that ring. I must fire K or Kino Jokes. And them not really bust it because me take it out of them and bring it to the world. Big time to teach them. Like, big time.
Alright, so all it there, sir. Well, we'll come back around to the music part, production side of the thing. Zane, you were a selector. When you go Stone Love, who you go see there? I mean, when you say Cosby was there.
Yeah, Cosby. No.
I guess Swamp King was there at the time as well.
No, something over there. Richie Feelings era.
Okay.
That era there,
Okay.
I was when Richie hot.
Okay.
You see me? I'm still never, for the longest time I play the sound, you know. You have certain man, I never see the sound yet, you know. Never, because Father Paul have more than one sound.
Right.
And I say I start off with Purple Love. And by the time I get one dance one night, I saw me around them turn friend around them see me. Tell me I'm a little pouch, a little so. Okay, I got the dance. CD. I play Stone Love. You see me? And the man say, yo, you're bad. Till me transit to Stone Love. So I never get to go and dance with Richie Feelings. None of them. I supposed to the only man, me and him used to roll one and two, doing power. Because them time the doing power just, I think, come on back on this, and I play the sound, like I play. Yeah, because I remember a couple nights I wedding when me up there play. Doing it, I come play after me. You know? Because me there warm up the place and then him come play. You see me? So yeah.
But you move on from the Monster Machine, and after that now you took a break from selecting. This is when you went solo.
Yeah, I go solo.
Oh, you go
right
solo.
away.
Okay, right away.
Right away. Because you know, teach them. Enough things start happen. That can get banned.
Right.
Because Cartel build a condom. Cartel build a song. I remember knowing at them time then anything a Cartel touching it a ton goal, and then the people them that deal with them away in terms of like what do call it, pan the merchandise side. You know, I come out to them thing. Then have kind of fight, because the condom did big and thing. But since the dog it get banned off a radio, ban my virgin now, Splendid him give up. Now, me have all of the radio man them for deal with, because it used to get it 1 and 2 play on radio because certain word could I can use.
Right.
Clear it out and thing. And then after a while it start fade away, and then me alone there. Teach them, me an artist. Teach them. I just that me I look and teach them. Because me, as me tell you, I'm conscious as a youth. So me take a time and kick back. And me youth them did ban. And me say man, me have 2 youth one time. 2 baby mother. One live here, son, one live in front of me yard.
Yeah.
You have the t-shirt.
This way as well.
Big up Kiefer. She don't know the thing though.
Oh.
She a me lady.
Okay, cool,
You know?
cool.
She a me lady now, when me and her.
Yeah.
She a me baby. Because me and her a deal long time. And then me go see, it's like a replica of what my father do. Me see this girl come from country now. Next door me and bam and a fight. And me I say, I wait till they steal out. Because me live in front of her now. And when I come from way up the road and you know, and then fear mother and my mother are 2 church sister them. But I said, I tell you, see church sister thing, brother. It's rough, you know, with daughter yard. And teach them, me end up that's the one that come from country. Tell me, say she pregnant.
Yeah.
And the one who me and her a deal, not pregnant. Then what you think me have to do?
Every year one.
What do you mean? Then after me know I should go away.
Have to spread the glory,
And me
man.
decide say over there, so me there cause me don't want to mash up my heart.
Right.
So for balance the thing me have it, and it work. It work, man. Cause nobody no quarrel, nobody no
quarrel.
No.
Just spread the glory,
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah,
That
man.
go
So at that time, you know, me have 2 youth one time, and me started thinking of myself. I said, John Star, yo, what me an artist? What me I go do? And I said to myself, say, take on the road, teach them. Say, this now is the most important part of my career now. Like one of me.
Right.
Start solo. Me not have not even 1 dub.
Yeah.
Me man a laptop time yet, you know. A laptop not come in yet. A
CD.
CD. So me have my local
Pouch.
No, me have a big pouch on the wheel. No, everything I break down now. No man no, cause taxi me I take a go dance in the teacher. Me can't go in a man taxi the big pulley like a foreign me I go. So me have to break it down to a little pouch and thing and throw it in a knapsack, and me have this virgin named Greener. Rotten box. That man there. See if I never him, couldn't be a Spread the Glory. Couldn't. Cause my virgin, me know him as a youth I grew up. But he's a man who run taxi from Max Hill to Aftertree. Now him live on my road. Me and him grew up. So I start go dance, him love music. Him start carrying me go dance. From me a little youth now. In my solo, like starting. Teach them only thing me I get from the promoter them, you know, are the taxi driver money, you know. Because in them time there, if you go dance with a ride, you almost a star. Almost.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah, so I say almost, because you have vehicle and thing, and if I carry me go dance, sometimes when I get for go, I have to go and wait on the bus, and never hide yet. Not hide. Because me a man, as I tell you, me know what me want. So if you even see me, a journey me there, and I know what I want. So, green on, carry me go to dance then.
Wow. Yeah, man, you can't.
You see me?
But we just cut. Okay. Now 1 minute you say, oh, you see, I hear that, yeah. So, green on.
Yeah, so green is a man where I carry me go to dance them. Make sure me alright. He might buy something, because I can't buy nothing teach him. But I'm a taxi man, you know, the man they run him taxi and me I buy like 1,500 like gas, cause gas cheap them time there. Cause St. Mary, you know, teacher me, you know, say one night, me they get a date with Love Dust. No, from them time there, I St. Mary. So the brethren call me, pep up, yeah, me done. The next man that I play a big part in my career, a brethren named Pep Up. To today, man, I'm still friend. This is why I tell you, say, me never have problem with people yet. Me when I neutral selected them boy, in a way, me and everybody good.
On a pick side.
No, because me know if I live, teach them, you see me, and if me not like you, you gonna know, you know.
Right.
I just me that. Me can't fake, I mean, I go chat to you if me not like you. So people have a directly say, me, you know, deal. I just some me say, if me laugh with you, yeah, everybody knows me good. So Pep Up now is a man where he remember me from Love Dust. So he link me and I say, I love this. And I say, you know, I'm not play Love Dust again, but you can't get the sound still, you know. And he bought the sound and Morgan did good enough that's in the front. Morgan in the front one night time, see, like, I'm bare now, I left him sound, but him know say me I move on and thing, and I feel, you know, he make me come play the same way and thing. And Sunshine that run St. Mary them time, the DJ Sunshine. Brother, when me I got St. Mary, a DJ Sunshine around the place. I'm going to go there one night, go listen. No disrespect Sunshine, because me and your virgin still. But when me go to the night, go listen, me I say, every dance I might want to some tonight.
Yeah.
Because my energy with me
Different.
have, and the people them not get that yet. So when Sunshine come with a nice thing and a nice lady and she play, him like, when me come on and I teach him, because he's a man, me I got a long time, you know. A, B, C, D, F, G, me have them things that can make an DJ. So I play sound like an artist. From that teacher, I get every day to St. Mary. Like, up to the day, I got a St. Mary. In a music. Ask anybody. St. Mary, Portland. Like, there's some real fan base. Like, if me don't know, say me have fans nowhere in the world, brother.
St. Mary and Portland.
St. Mary and Portland, me can't tell. When bass they say I play them places, brother.
There you go.
No, all the while, you know, because sometimes you know we have to.
Right.
But most of the time, I'm familiar with.
Right, okay.
More familiar. All of the man in familiar, you know, but me come there with a solo. But then me and bass they sing about whole heap of time, man, on the road. Bro, 3 selector alone he did have. No few don't know them things, you know. But it was only 3 selector alone in that way. Solo selector we left from town and play a country. Only 3.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Links?
No, man.
Super.
Links have them man in our league, brother.
Oh, okay.
You tell me our generation.
Okay.
Everything we hear me talk about,
Yeah.
remember my generation me talk about. Because the way I respect those people before me, I can't match up with them. See? Gary Chucks,
Oh.
Liquor Richie, and Spready Glory. The only 3, if I miss any, then we do it on the comment. Because I know say your comment them, and them have a character about enough things to you know.
Yeah.
Because nothing might have not put in the right perspective, but you see me. But yeah, we are the 3 man them we are left from town. We really are come a country complain. We don't see nobody. No, and we are telling about countries.
Yes.
So we book everybody along the way.
So the solo journey, I know, St. Mary and Portland kind of help build that.
Big time. Big. Brother, St. Mary, me go get me first pay. Like, when me I go there, me don't know for charge, you know, because they tell me I don't know for charge, you know,
Right.
teach them. So, as a smart youth now, me I say, all right, 1,500 for gas. If me have 2,000 for myself, me good. So me I go charge them 8 grand. And me I get 8 grand. But the way my body, you know, me work, me cheaper than my work. That's sometimes the promoter them give me more money because them I say, glory.
Mash up the place.
Yeah, because me better than, but true me not interested in that. Me just want to get more dance. Brinks now. Because set me a big, you know. Because Natabe going to make me name. King and Natabe same up to the day. Then you have a virgin left from Portmore come across and say, I get and say, your body, you know, but you need to come on the side because me the think Natabe, but Natabe nice still, you know.
Yeah.
But Natabe was just a small segment. It's when the man can make a Portmore.
Capital, man.
Brother, I go up on the beach, brother, and I be a head top, me and look for me. I say, are people there? And the way me deal with the dance. Time they have money pull up, you know. No money pull up, not in. Man, rate you as a selector and give you money in your hand.
Right.
Be money me I get, man, teacher, man. I want to teach man, then one day me get brave and say, 15 grand me I charge. Book a bridge and I say, how much charge me? 15 grand. And I say, 15, and I say, yeah, I need down payment now too. Because me I say me not, but them time the man I say 15. The man pay me one time, and the man dance about like 8 months after. And me I say then if him give me 15 grand, I can't. So that's how me start. Charge. Yeah, till me start look on the scope, then me take time, move the money and move. But St. Mary, bro, is that's something me going like really. The gem, man. The gem there, so man. If I never based on this, you wouldn't know me. You see me? Because enough of the dance.
Yeah, but up there,
yeah, you see me?
Yeah, because so after the solo journey, BSDC was the next step.
Yeah, man.
So I know you say the owner for Diamond International, a father kid cousin.
Yeah.
So from this one link did so.
Yeah.
But all and you say you have up BSDC road, see?
Yeah.
But how now that link they make for invite you upon the drum champion?
You always say the other people who know that answer you ask for the question. Yeah.